National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Cleveland County and north central Texas, northeastern Denton County and north central Texas, southeastern Cook County and north central Texas until 9:45 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, or near Sanger, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping pong ball style tail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, and Ray Roberts Park County around 9:30 p.m. Pilot Point around 9:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Interstate 35 between mile markers 482 and 492. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from